Well, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. We're putting a dually axle in the truck. Let's get her licked. Alright, so we're just getting this axle prepped here to go in the truck. We got the old, this is a Dana 80 out of a second gen. Alrighty, so we're gonna, basically what we did was you got the zip cutter out. We just cut these spring perches off there. You just cut them at the top of the leaf bolt, hit them with a fucking hammer, they come right off. So we're gonna jack the frame up. We're gonna roll this axle out. And then we're gonna roll that dually over here. We're gonna mock it up. So that's your last look of this frame. Has a single cab, regular box fucking single wheel. Let's get the man's axle in. Let's go. Alrighty, so you can see here we've got her jacked up in the back with some big jack stands, and we're clearing some space here with the cab, and we're gonna roll that axle right on over, boys. Let's get her going.
Oh, I bet.
Wow.
She's like, "Where's Odie? Where's Odie?"
Ryder, come here, watch out. You guys been splitting some wood. Go camping, got the wood. Be all right.
Prada, how you doing, Prada? Prada. Okay, boys.
That's pretty heavy, bro. That's
The
some
Dana 80 pot. Size 2.
nice and slow. We're on that
Big
side.
wheels keep on turning.
Fuzzy, so it's
I see what you're saying. It's like
Rolling,
both roll independently.
rolling on the wheel.
Okay, keep coming a little bit.
Rolling.
Be alright, just keep going nice and smooth. You know? Okay, my side's got a little roll to it. Yeah, keep going on that side so you don't get tired. Spin it right here. We can spin it right here. We can spin it right here. That side. That side come. There you go. Okay. Hold that side down.
Fucking dog's got energy.
We're getting close to the cab. Okay. Now keep.
Hold up, let me catch your head. Come back, Rick. Okay.
Frame, right? And then I'm almost under the frame.
Alright, stay stuck there.
Yeah, I'm close. This side over there. Yeah, I know this is nice, bro. Fucking, you guys gonna have two wheeler trucks?
We're always watching you.
What do you think?
What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments. Or don't.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go with some big blocks, 6-inch blocks. It's gotta be jacked up, bro. We like jacked up. I'll go with some 6-inch blocks. Well, let's actually.
You guys wanna live?
Jimbo, I think we want something. It's bolts up with U-bolt.
This fucking. What are you doing with the axle we took out?
I fucking told yous, motherfuckers.
Pizza.
Where?
No,
Where'd that come from?
It was from earlier.
Huh. Fucking bastard.
Yeah, you wish.
Wow. We got fucking first gen Rick here, ladies and gentlemen. There it is.
Oh, sorry.
Fucking first gen Rick. Yeah, make sure that goes back where it came from. Fucking just throws the tools. Finishes it, throws them.
Fuck off, I'm working here.
That's some good H2O.
You gotta hammer that off, Rick. You gotta hammer it right here, bud. Oh fuck, look at his idea.
No, I need something big.
Just need a hammer, man. You hit it right there, it's gonna come off. Jimbo, can you grab a hammer, please, from the Jimbo, hammer! 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 Please!
Came off like fucking butter. Fucking butter.
Good job, bud. Alright. Thank you, Jimbo. This was getting embarrassing. Alright. Right there. Yeah, I'll let you guys do it because I'm filming.
Stop. Hemp. What would you?
Well, there you go. Just like I fucking said. There it is. It was your last time seeing it as a single wheel. We got two fucking dualies. Whoa. Club cab dually Cummins, single cab dually Cummins. Hit the fucking like, subscribe button if you like these trucks. Don't even fuck around.